The silent killer? Women cannot ignore this. There are many things that trigger ovarian cancer, and some of the typical causes include age, genetic predisposition, and misuse of oral contraceptives. Even though the symptoms of ovarian cancer are not obvious, if women are able to identify it before the situation gets out of control, and they can save their lives. Almost 80% of all women are diagnosed with ovarian cancer when this cancer is already in the advanced stage. For this reason, many die in the struggle. But there are some symptoms that we are going to present below that can detect if you have ovarian cancer. The silent killer. 1. Frequent back pain. In case you are not suffering from any type of joint pain or osteoporosis, then these back pains can be a symptom or side effect of developing ovarian cancer. 2. Pain in the stomach and pelvis. If for some reason you have frequent stomach or pelvic pains, I recommend that you see a doctor right away. 3. Irregular cycles. A recent study has confirmed that women over the age of 50 are more prone to the dangers of ovarian cancer. But this does not mean that young women are completely safe. There are many cases in the world when ovarian cancer appears in girls who have not gotten their first menstrual cycle. 4. Frequent exhaustion without reason. Dizziness, nausea, shortness of breath, poor appetite, and feeling tired all the time. All these are symptoms that may be related to women affected by cancer. 90% of women have at least one of these symptoms before it develops into ovarian cancer. 5. Gastric reflux. Burning. This is called feeling fullness, is another important and more common symptom of ovarian cancer. Many women in the world are deceived by this symptom. They usually think it is a digestive problem, but this can be a symptom of ovarian cancer. I ask 3 favors. 1. Subscribe. 2. Share it with your friends and family. 3.